Welcome back to my channel, everyone. And today my dad made me some carrot saltfish fritters. Just look at it. Wow, man. When he told me that he was making his fritters, I said, Daddy, wait, I'm going for my camera to film this. Stay tuned. So he started out first by grating some carrots, around 2 to 3. After that, he cut up some onions, Jamaican style, no cutting board, freestyle with your hands. Then he cut up some Scotch Bonnet Pepper and some tomato going out for a little juiciness, you know what I mean? And he said that you could add like thyme and scallion if you have it. Anyway, he boiled the saltfish and then he just pick it up, and then he mixed in the saltfish with the carrot and other ingredients. He said, dip your hand in it, girl, dip your hand in it. Then he added in the flour. And then he added in baking powder so that it can rise and get nice and fluffy. A little bit of black pepper. And him just mixed it around. It's best to add the flour in before you add the water, that you can gauge how much water it will need. And then I'm adding water. And if you notice, he didn't add any salt because the saltfish is already salted. But if you like your fritter on the salty side, you can add a little bit more salt. Alright, so he added in enough water until it was this consistency. And then you just fry. And then you just flip. And that's how you do it. Boom, chicka, chicka, boom, boom. Crispy fritters that is not oily and it's delicious. And it have a little hint of sweetness from the carrot. Diggy, diggy, diggy. This was so good. Girl, you gotta try this. Or boy, you gotta try this, man. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe and like.